Well, hello, social media. I hope that you are having a great Trending Tuesdays. This is Bliss Screen, NMLS 116122. And today's Trending Tuesday topic is about property taxes, reevaluation, and equity. Okay, so in Mecklenburg County, Charlotte, North Carolina, which is my home base, we are experiencing a reevaluation right now, and those that information has just been released from our county, where they've gone out and hired independent appraisers, right, to come up with real estate property taxes for residential property and commercial property assessments as well. So this is going to impact a lot of people come September. Once the actual tax bills for this year comes out, they're debating right now whether or not they're going to change the rates and all of that politics, right? But the first thing that I wanted to lead is in this conversation is what it means to you as a consumer. Okay, the first thing our property taxes do for us is provide education, right? It provides community services, the things that we love that fill our lives, the beautiful green spaces, our parks, the trash can returning to you the same way that you left it on your curbside, right? Those wonderful services, our police, fire, that type of thing. So we are glad to pay for these services because most of us benefit from them. So we want to lead with that. But of course, if you are experiencing a great hike, the other thing that you need to consider is that that comes at a benefit to you as well, because that means that you probably are experiencing equity in your property. And I want to talk to you a little bit about what that means from a finance perspective and how you can position that to take advantage. So if you get your reevaluation bill and you're like, holy smokes, and then September comes and the actual tax bill comes out, there's two things you can do. You can take advantage of contesting the reassessment if you have a uniform residential appraisal from an appraiser. That usually is going to cost money to get that done. But if you've recently refinanced your house or purchased your home and you have an appraiser and the value of your appraisal is considerably less than the reassessment, you can take that to the county and contest their value. In September, when the tax bills come out, you can actually contest the bill and ask for it to be lowered. You actually may be a person that can receive some type of lower tax bill. Anyway, if you're a senior citizen, you can apply for some type of like tax abatement. If you're a veteran, they offer discounts for veterans off. Most counties do. So you can ask for those things, and this is a great time to take advantage of that. So that's you as a consumer. If you're a real estate agent watching this video, you have to take advantage of using this opportunity to educate your consumer base, your past client base. It's a great reason to reach out, to ask for the referral, to ask your clients, do they have any questions about what it is that you're offering, right, in the real estate market today, and your expertise on this matter, on how you can help them and or family members that they may have, right, because they may have others that need to take advantage of the discounts and that type of thing. Plus, we all want another sell out of it. Let's be honest, we're here to make money, right? So let's get to that. The other thing with tax reevaluations and property values going up, as they are in our communities right now across the nation, is that you're likely to see an increase in your equity, okay? And equity is the difference between what you owe in your house and the actual market appraised value of your home, okay? So the way that that can help you as a consumer is if you need to save money on your monthly debt obligations, you can refinance your house and do a debt consolidation loan. Even if you're paying a higher interest rate than what you originally had, it is a lower interest rate than the consumer debt that you're paying. And so it actually does decrease your monthly outgo. And if you would like more information about what that means to you specifically, I'd love to talk to you about that one-on-one, okay? The other unique thing is that a lot of people are going to want to take home equity loans. That's a very smart thing to do in this market. You can either refinance and do one cash out and control it all, or you can take advantage of a home equity line of credit. That's also a really good thing to do in a market like right now when you have equity. So you'll start to see a lot of advertisements for home equity lenders probably come second quarter, a big push for that. So realtors, again, you want to preach the equity message because this is a great time for a client to transfer the equity in their current home and move up. If you can convert that move up buyer, they can buy more house for about the same amount of money with a substantial down payment. So if you're a consumer and you're considering taking advantage of the spring market and to buying into a better neighborhood, into a better school district for your children, or to downsizing into a smaller close fit community, into a smaller residence, this is your time to take advantage of that and use the equity that's in your current property to maybe lessen your monthly expenses on housing and or keep them the same and get more bang for your buck. Okay, so good things are happening because equity is on the rise, because property values are on the rise. And I don't want you to cringe at seeing these reevaluations. I want you to be prepared for them and know what to do. Okay, so my goal this year is to keep you informed on what's going on in current markets. That's what's going on in my hometown, downtown, but that's going on anywhere uptown where you are in your town. And if I can help you in 50 states, please do reach out to me. This is Bliss Screen, NMLS 116122. The Mortgage Gal, hashtag The Mortgage Gal, and my website is at lendingbliss.com. And I'd love to talk to you soon. Please pass this information on to someone that you know. And if you'd love to ask me some specific questions about the equity in your home or your tax evaluation process, I'd love to get that information to you as well. Thanks. Bye.